PyTorch. It is free and open source high-level API, creating deep learning libraries. Installation on Windows 11 and 10 operating system. Google search box lo Python download, enter key press python.org downloads, first link click. Python official web page complete display, second option downloads section lo download for Windows. Python latest version 3.14.0 button click. Download section lo Python latest version 3.14.0 -amd 64.exe set of file downloading process start. File size 26.5 MB. Wait and here few seconds. Next installation setup. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Python setup file display. Select mouse double click. Folder minimize. Python setup window lo bottom side two options display. First one, use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Left side box tick mark set. Second one, add python.exe to path. Auto creation path in system environment variables. Left side box tick mark set. Second option, customize installation. Select optional features. All options default tick mark set. Second button, next click. Advanced options section lo first option, install Python for all users. Left side box tick mark set. Bottom side, customize install location. Files installation path display. Local disk C, program files folder, newly created folder Python 314 display. Second button, install click. Python Windows first button, yes click. Setup progress window lo Python application related files installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Setup was successful. Display close button click. Installation verify Python and pip package manager. Desktop Windows search box lo CMD enter. First option command prompt, select command prompt shell window display. Enter Python command python space version. Enter key press. Installed Python latest version 3.14.0. Next pip package manager command pip space version. Enter key press. Installed pip latest version 25.3. Installation default path. In this video description section lo installation commands paste as the same, copy paste in command prompt window. Next, install pip latest version and previous old versions. Verify pip space index space versions space pip. Enter key press. Checking process start. Wait and here few seconds. Pip available versions, old versions and previous versions and latest versions display. Present installed version 25.3. Latest version also 25.3. Pip is old version. Upgrade your pip. Enter upgrade pip command. Python.exe space -m space pip space install space upgrade pip. Enter key press. Requirement already satisfied pip and installation location display. CLS. Enter key press. Install PyTorch. Enter the PyTorch command. Python space -m space pip space install torch space torch version space torch audio. Enter key press. Wait and here few minutes. Collecting torch. Downloading process start. Downloading file size 110.9 MB. Maximize. PyTorch downloading completed. Next torch version and torch audio. Successfully installed. Run to Python shell. Python. Enter key press. Installation verify. command enter. PyTorch. Import space torch. Enter key press. Second command enter. Print space open bracket torch dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore close bracket. Enter key press. Installation version 2.9.1 CPU.